I would say that without a doubt, the most important piece in your powered roof vent is the motor. So what happens when that goes out? You replace your whole roof vent system? Well, no, you don't have to do that. You can just simply get a replacement motor. Hi, I'm Lindsay here with RecPro, and today I'm here to tell you guys all about our RV roof vent replacement motor. The product code for this is RP-2029. So this motor works with our RecPro roof vents, and it is run off of 12 volt power. I'm gonna go ahead and put the dimensions up here on the screen for you. So this motor works with your fan blade, and it's what rotates it. This motor can rotate up to 2,000 RPMs, which is pretty fast if I do say so myself, and will create a lot of airflow. It is really easy to install. It is secured by 2 Phillips head screws, and then you just simply connect it to your fan blades via an Allen wrench. To get it all wired up, you connect it with this cord just straight into your control box, and you are good to go. If you guys are interested in this product or you need your own fan motor, please check out the link down in the description box below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.